Hi dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we are going to complete revision of grade 9 part 2. Okay, we have here in this diagram as you see, we have here in this triangle, it's given we have three midpoints L, M, N. Here I have L, it's a midpoint for SR, and we have M, midpoint of RT, and midpoint of ST. Okay, so we have three midpoints. They meet at just one point inside the triangle. So we have here what, and it's given here in the example that SP is 16, SP is 16, therefore, and he asks me about SM. Okay, so I say here SP equal 2/3 of what, of SM, and I can say in other words, so SP here equals 16 equal 2/3 of SM. Okay, this somehow kind to solve, and we have another way to solve, and it's easier. SP here given 16, so PM it's half of SP. Remember this, my dear students. PM equal half of SP, so this will be easier in calculations. So PM here will be equals to what, equals half of 16, half of 16, so it would be, yeah, 8. So PM will be equal to 8. Here PM 8, and here we have 16. What about SM, the total? So I'm going to add 16 plus 8, so you're gonna have 24 for SM. Okay, here the second one, LP, he gives me LP here is 9, and it's written 9. So, and asks me about LT. So it's very easy. We have PT, this one, PT, this one, okay, will be, S PT will be double. PT will be double. Here LP, I will write it for you. PT equal to LP. Okay, why miss did you say that? Because have we say here LP will be here, because LP is half of PT. PT is double LP. The big one is double the small one here. The big one is double the small one here. Okay, so if it's given here this 9, this is the double, it will be 18. Double means what? Double means 9 times 2. Double means 9 times 2. Okay? The number times 2, double the number times 2. And I can say also LT now is what, LT now is what, LT is what, LT will be LP plus PT. Okay, LP 9 plus what, plus 18. Okay, okay, so it will be 27. And in other words, remember this one, LP here, LP, it's what, third of LT. Okay, the small one, it's third of the total here segment. Okay, we can solve it like this or like I told you. What about here PN? He gives me here RN33. RN33. So where is RN here? This one, guys. Yeah. RN here, all of this segment 33. And he asks me about what? PN. Where is PN? PN. This small part. This small part PN. Okay, this one. So the small one here, I have to use the third here. PN equal third of the total. Third of the total here is what? The total 33. So third of 33. How can I solve it? Divided 3, 1, divided 3, 11. So 1 times 11 gives me 11. So PN is 11. PN is 11. Okay? Okay. I have here another question. The diagram shows the plan for a triangular piece of mobile. Where should the sculpture attach the support so that the triangle is balanced. The most important thing, as I told you in the online session, here where is the point where the triangle is balanced. So he is looking for the centroid. He is looking for the centroid. Okay, my dear students, here it's written what? The points Q, P, R. Q, P, R. 0 and 8. Why 0 and 8? 0 here on x-axis, 8 on y-axis. And R, we have here 6 on x-axis and 4 on y-axis. Okay, what about here P? Okay, let's clear. P here is 3. Okay, is 3. And what? 3 and 0 on y-axis. I didn't go up or down. Okay, after here having the 3 points, what should I know? I want to find what the midpoints of the 3 segments. I need to know the 3 midpoints of the 3 segments. Here for the first one, QR. QR segment, can you see this? Okay, the midpoint, how can I get it? It's it's unknown now. I want to know it. So I'm going to take here the x sub 1 plus x sub 2 all over 2. So 0, 0 plus 6 all over 2. 0 plus 6 all over 2 gives me 3 over 2. Okay? 6 is 6, so 0 plus 6 all over 2, it means what? 6 divided 2 gives me 3. Okay, I'm here in this one, still didn't get here. So here I have for the second one, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 all over 2. Here y sub 1 means 8 plus 4 all over 2 means 12 divided 2 gives me 6. Okay, and I will do the same here for this segment, which is PR, this segment, and also for this segment. Okay, after getting the three midpoints here, what should I do? After getting here, the first one is what? Is 3, 6. So I'm going to draw, look with me here, 3 on x-axis, and then 6. Go up, up, up until 6. And here, 3 over 2, here 3 over 2 and 4. 3 over 2 and 4. It means what? 3 over 2? It means 1 and a half. It means what? 3 over 2? It means 1 and a half and 4. 1 and a half and 4 on here the diagram. 1 and a half. Okay. And 4. So go up. This is 1 and a half. So go up and what? And until 4. So this is the second here midpoint. Remember midpoint. What about the third midpoint? 9 over 2. 9 divided 2 gives me 4 and a half. And 2. Where is 4 and a half? So this is 4 and a half. Okay. This is 4 and a half here. This one. Then 2. Then go up 2. So this is 0.2. After drawing the 3 dots, the 3 midpoints, we do what? We are going to, yes, we are going to draw my 3, what? My 3 segments, that connected the 3 here vertices, this one, this one, this one. Okay, after drawing them, we are going to have our centroid, which is here inside the connecting here, the connecting point. So this will be from the drawing. It's 3 and what? 3 and 4, and this is the centroid. Now we have the location of the altitudes, and this is important. Here I have to know where are, okay, what's the altitude? The altitude, remember, it's the height. Where is here the altitude of the acute triangle? The acute triangle, the altitude is inside, is located inside the acute triangle. What about the obtuse triangle? The obtuse triangle, here the altitude located outside. What about the right angle? The right angle triangle, it's located on, okay. We have here another kind of questions, okay. So, find each measure UW, here UW. this one. He asks me about UW, this one. Okay, so I need to know the measure of UW. Okay, so remember with me here the UW, he asks me about a segment. And I have got here, if you see, we have how many midpoints? Three midpoints. W midpoint for RW here equal WT. Here the sign, this sign means equal. Here I have RU equal US, SV equal VT. This means that what? This means that we have here UW, half of UW, half of what, my dear students? ST. Given that ST 7.4, so UW will be half of 7.4. This means it will be 3.7. What about angle SVU? It's very easy. I need the marker. SV U. This one, we have here two parallel, so we have two parallel sides, so we have alternate interior angles. So this 41, this will be the same 41. This one also is important, guys. So if I ask you in this diagram, he asks me to find the values of x and y. Okay, I have midpoints also here. So you have midpoints here, here, and here. Therefore, we have here this segment MN is half of segment DE. So why? Because X represented the segment MN. Half of what? Half of the here I have half of the expression 4x minus 10. Why? Because this expression represents the segment DE. So x equal, not equal, equal half of, don't forget, right, half like me. So x equal half of 4x minus 10. So x equal half of 4x means what? Divided 2 gives me 1, divided 2 gives you 2. So 2x minus divided 2, 1 divided 2, so we have here minus 5. Half of 10, remember, half of 10 means 5, half of 4 means 2. So x equal to x minus 5. We have here x equal to x minus 5, as you see here. Okay, if I have here 2x minus x equal to x minus x equal what? Equal 2x minus x equals 5. So 2x minus x give me just 1x. So I have here this 5. So x here equals 5. If he asks me about what, my dear students, about y, so we have, where is y here? Let's search for y. This is y. So y is half of which one? The one opposite to is. So we have here y equal half 2x plus 12. We have two variables here, two different variables. So instead of x, I will write the value of what? The value of x that I have just here brought up. So you have here 5. X equal 5. You have just here brought this. So y equal half. Instead of x, I will write what? 5 plus 12. Okay, so 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 12, 22. Half of 22 equal 11. So y equals 11. Okay, let's complete. Okay, let's complete. Write the ratio expressing the slope of L. So we have here the slope is what? It's rise over run, remember. So we have what? We have y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, we have here this one x sub 1, this one x sub 2. Okay, here y sub 1, y sub 2, right? Let's now substitute in the numbers. Okay, y sub 2 negative 2 minus 3, negative 2 minus 3. Then we have 2 minus negative 1, 2 minus and then negative, so we will draw the bracket. Okay, negative 2 minus 3 gives me what? Negative 5. Then 2 minus bracket minus bracket negative, so we have times. Negative times negative gives me positive. It means 2 plus 1 gives me 3. So we have negative 5 over 3. And very easy one. Solve the proportion. Guys, it's very easy. If we have like this, cross multiplication. If we have, it's like this, the same like this. Okay, so I'm going to cross multiplication. Okay, let's do cross multiplication here. So z minus 4 multiply minus 4. So it's z minus 4 times z minus 4. Here it's repeated 2 times. Can I put it in a bracket and we have here squared? Of course, because it's repeated 2 times. Then 5 times 20. 5 times 20, easy, 100. Z minus 4 all over here squared. Okay, and we have 100. So I want to remove the squared. Remember, when we wanted to remove the squared before, we did what? We did Z minus 4 here all over here 2 square root, and here square root, right? Right, square root makes what goes with the squared. So we've got here z minus 4 equal positive or negative 10. Here square root gives me positive or negative. Two solutions. So we're going to say that z minus 4 equal 10 or z minus 4 equal negative 10. Let's here solve it. Z minus 4 equal 10. So z equal what? This is 10. So here 10 plus what? 10 plus 4. So z equal 14. What about here z? Z minus 4 equals to negative 10 this time. So negative goes to the other side by positive 4. So we have got here negative 4 minus negative 10 minus 4 gives me negative 6. So we have here Z maybe negative 6 or 14. So the solution set gives me 14 and negative 6. Okay, easy. I think that's easy. Identify pairs of congruent angles and corresponding sides. So we have here what, my dear students? We have here angle N. Angle N, this is perpendicular and this is also perpendicular. And you've got here 63 degree and this 63 degree. So therefore the third side, the third theorem, the third side theorem, the third here angle theorem tells me what? If you have two angles are equal, two angles here of the corresponding triangles are equal, therefore the third angle is equal or congruent. So that we have measure of angle M must be congruent to measure of angle T, okay, by using the third angles theorem. Okay, therefore what we are going to have equal proportions. Why? Because we have here MP. Let's go MP over TR. Okay, MP over TR. Okay, it's the same as MP over TR. It's the same as what? MN over QT. MN over QT, right? The same as here NP over QR. NP over QR. They will give you the same proportion. 2 over 2.2. This one 2.2 over 1.1 gives you 2. MN here, MN 2 over, let it be with another color to make it clear. 2 over 1 gives you 2. The last one we have got here, this is what? Okay, this is NP, which is 1 over what? NP over QR, which is 0 0.5. 1 divided 0 0.5, 1 divided half gives you 2. Okay, is it easy? I think it is. Also, this one is very easy. Finding the length of a segment, find US. He asks me to find US, this small part. So I know that US, okay, US here over US over UR gives me the same ratio as VT here over what? Over VR. Okay, why? Because we have parallel here, we have parallel, two parallel here sides, so that we have got here the ratio will be here the same. So you have here US, I don't know, over UR, which is 14, the same as what? TV okay, TV, which is 4 over V. Okay, okay, this is V. Okay, V what we have here? V, just a moment. I want to see it. V, yes, VR over VR. Okay, so US over 14 equals to 4 over VR, which is what? Which is 10. It's now easy. Yes, it's like solving now. Cross multiplication, 14 times 4, 56, 10 times US. So 10 US equal 56. How did you get it? 14 times 4, 56, 10 US. Okay, so I have to, okay, we have here 10 US equal 56. So I can say 56 equal, okay guys, this I'll let it be more clear for you. US equal, here we have 10 US equal 56 divided by 10 divided by 10 to get rid of the coefficient of US. US equal 56 over 10 or 5.6. Easy, easy. Verifying also segments are parallel. This one I have here, what if you prove that the ratio or here we have here the ratio between AD over DB will be equals to AE over EC, so that we have here parallel lines, DE will be parallel to BC. So if you prove that 10 over 15 is the same, yeah, let's do it. 10 over 15, if we 10 over 15 gives me what? Divided 5, so it gives you 2 over 3, right? What about here? AE over EC, it gives you what? 8 over 12 divided, yeah, divided 4 gives you what? 2 divided 4 gives you what? Gives you 3. So we've got here the same here, they are equal fractions here, so that we have what? The converse of the triangle proportional theorem. And so that here we have DE segment is parallel to BC segment. Okay, let's have the last one here. Tyler wants to find the height of a telephone pole. He measured the pole's shadow and his own shadow and then made the diagram. What's the height of each pole? So we have here what?